Good evening, welcome to tonight's edition of Quiztatorship, a trivia game that lets you deduct the answers by combining general knowledge with logical thinking. As we progress, the questions will be getting increasingly harder, so let's see how far you make it. Question 1. Jonathan is the oldest living terrestrial animal in the world that we know of. He was born in 1832 and is still with us. What kind of animal is Jonathan? The answer is a tortoise. But if you said turtle, that's okay too. Question 2. This artist recalled that he had been out for a walk at sunset, when suddenly the setting sun's light turned the clouds a blood red. He sensed an infinite scream passing through nature. So naturally he turned that experience into a painting. What is the artwork in question? The answer is Edvard Munch's Scream. Question 3. Macho types wanted, must dance and have a mustache. What band resulted from that ad placed back in 1977? The answer is The Village People. Question 4. When you do a Myers-Briggs test, the letter E, for example, stands for extroversion, and I for introversion. S stands for sensing, and P for perceiving. What does T stand for? The answer is thinking. Question 5. Espresso, mascarpone cheese, eggs, sugar, rum and cocoa powder are used to make what dessert? The answer is tiramisu. Question 6. What movie holds the record for staying in the cinemas for the longest period of time? That is from 1975 and up until now. The answer is Rocky Horror Picture Show. Question 7. What song starts with the following lyrics? Arise, children of the fatherland, our day of glory has arrived. Clue: the original lyrics are not in English. Oh, and another clue: it is not by Lady Gaga or Justin Bieber. And the answer is La Marseillaise, the French national anthem. Question 8. All human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. They are endowed with reason and conscience and should act towards one another in a spirit of brotherhood. This is the first article in what document? The answer is the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Question 9. They were criticized for including Roald Dahl because of his anti-Semitic views. Then they were criticized for not featuring American patriotic holidays such as Memorial Day and Veterans Day. Then for failing to honor the 70th anniversary of the D-Day. Then for honoring Yuri Kochiyama, an Asian American activist who admired Osama bin Laden and Mao Zedong. Then for having a large gender and race imbalance. Then for their inconsistency regarding the implementation of their religious holiday policy. Who exactly was criticized and in what context? The answer is Google, for their Google Doodles. Question 10. Back in the day, data would be saved on punched cards. The little holes in the cards would be read and transformed into codes. If a code needed correction, the programmer would simply send the users an improved punched card piece, and the latter would cut out the old piece and replace it with the updated one. This gave rise to what term frequently used in the IT world today? And the answer is patch. Thanks for watching. You don't have to like or subscribe or anything like that. But then, it's just one click, right? I would appreciate it. Check out the channel for more videos like this one and have a peaceful night.